right, Africa try to many
video be kakra.
Try to many video kono kakra na yehwe. The edge yeah. Me a minya hwe ya minimum na me nso me hu video kono.
Me hu video phone.
All right, so wait me joining on Facebook video ni rolly. Hey. Na kunu ama itizu yi. Hey. Owa wa bie nanum na wa cheza na baby a oba rest in nsa no. Ehon so I know you dey no so owo sa. Hey. So for your friend example, oba for right. Wow. Hey. Well, and also we always with the cobra ni bio. Hey.
Well, onye bibia so but then where we find ourselves no nkofo hunye mebebre as weird na azeba mpede mo ho adwenche wo ho
ame no it be some them question here. Number 1, them abo no na nksa mini ni ngri dada na makakos na egwa ode snake niti no onfa ntire make no ask me self. I mean, God now, or what here, dear, no way, ever.
Majority, but not many African Susan Conway, one also be our animal spirits when you move. Hey,
and unique,
by your pedestrian coffee on Argent show. All
right, yeah, move on against him now. Sanya, always got to go for a chair like this,
Yeah.
An animal ben aboa ben obependi obepe owo de ya ana jatabi de bisa ana anomaly for friend den eagle there no so ana means am for you junior there. Which one would you want? Until let us know. To bet me by way of commenting, let's know which one you opt for on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook.
Bajari.
Yep.
Yam ko inside kakra. Ne. Dina someone. Sisi aye hu more chere o social media ido. Na me na worry ye nende nyamesome assistant obi abide by new ways no. But ye hu na live bi oye. Ne ye nhwe wo Facebook kakra.
Okay.
Ne imude.
Now why not in it? Like that some young guy where you can tell the guy is very young, yeah?
Yeah. But you're in a movement now called
guy never saw ni moon. I say, or ni 2 year money be near there. I say, oh no, girl beat you on I, you know, I mean, yeah.
Now, some more can the almost one real live.
So no catch it. It is almost really, the guy can play with the hair.
To know, if you there, your gospel, love is all you been in there, boy. When you find guys, guy no a nice guy.
Oh, the guy's a nice guy. He's a pretty boy. He's pretty. Yes, he's not handsome, but he's a pretty boy.
Ne, or could do a hustle. Also, we're alive, no.
That's someone of course share say because that boy in the best one dream or guys on training in real life.
We're alive. We are not today. And with the any job, but she's all smiley and she's glowing on a different level too.
Man.
Bajari, ne inda no me adma obi kakra.
Hina.
Yenhwe ne picture bi.
Is this not girlfriend then?
Sefa. Ichoku.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ne pictures bia me hui na nde missing the no.
Na the national there wo kubelu bi o ne ho bi na there.
It's all fashion. It's all fashion. Na yenhwe on your picture curtain.
Yeah.
Just, about 3 pictures. Now, I'm admiring, God's nature.
Okay.
In Zamanyankupon to me with a flat tummy, with the curves, and with the nice color kakra.
Yeah.
And with the today, it's not bad. Hey, mama, I'm fine. I don't know.
Well, you know more to find.
Exactly. But I can't imagine.
Say, be no one time near there.
Bajari.
Yes.
On ye. But I'm coming in distraction. I'm coming in. I just like everything. And no. So let's appreciate, how they look.
Okay.
They showing a BBA day, the men's a mankazi. Boing a BBA.
All right.
It's all natural.
All right.
Rogeri, intendano, Miss Bissaha, and with Sefa.